Oh, duck hunters is the craziest peoples.
Here comes one now.
Yoo-hoo, fat boy! Here's your target for tonight. Now me power dive.
I got him.
So this is Gay Barry, come on along with me. We're stepping out to see the Latin Quarter. Put on your old beret, let's sing a Marseillaise and put our wine away like water. Oh, you got me. I'm going. I'm going.
Bye now. Go get him.
One of those wise-quacking ducks, huh? I'll show him a trick or two.
Why the copious flow of lacrimal fluid, my careless canine?
If I don't bring back a duck, he'll torture me.
Well, buck up, me bucko. I'll help you. We'll make out like you caught me. Be careful of those fangs, Lassie. I bruise like a grape. Don't squeeze so tight. That's better. Easy does it.
Attaboy, that's more like it. Yes, they say. He's not a very healthy-looking specimen.
Why, you...
Well, come on, boy. Let's go.